Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Waterloo is a small but lively city, located in southern Ontario, about 100 kilometers west of Toronto. It is part of the Twin Cities with Kitchener, making up a larger area known as the region of Waterloo. Together, these two cities have a fascinating mix of history, culture, and modern technology. Waterloo was originally settled by Mennonites from Pennsylvania in the early 1800s. They brought a strong farming tradition, which is still noticeable in the rural areas around the city today. In the 19th century, the area grew with industries powered by the nearby Grand River, which also helped connect the city to the rest of Ontario. You can still feel the city's European influence today. Waterloo hosts Oktoberfest, the largest Bavarian festival outside of Germany.
Very much.
If you're visiting during the fall, you might catch the exciting parades, music, and traditional German food. The city is home to two major universities, the University of Waterloo and Wilfrid Laurier University. These schools attract students and researchers from around the world and have helped make Waterloo a hub for technology and innovation. In fact, Waterloo is sometimes called Canada's Silicon Valley because companies like BlackBerry and Google have offices here. The city offers a mix of green spaces and urban life. Waterloo Park, which opened in the 1890s, is a beautiful spot right in the city center, perfect for picnics, trails, and even a small zoo. And for those who love architecture, Waterloo's downtown features a blend of historical buildings alongside newer, award-winning structures. Whether you're here for its history, festivals, tech scene, or just to take in the beautiful parks, this city has a little bit of everything.
you.